Okay folks, so today I want to show you guys the coolest product I bought from Prime Day. This is a, it's not an Xbox, it is an Xbox branded fridge. And it can fit, I think 8 cans or something like that. Yeah, anyway, I think it'll look good with this setup over here. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look. There is a manual. There you go. This is probably one of the coolest product that I've gotten on Prime Day. Check this out. It looks just like it. Let me just actually pull my Xbox Series X and let you guys see the difference. Okay, so this is my Xbox Series X right here, which has a wrap on there, but anyway, we can remove that. There you go. This is the size differences right here. Xbox Series X, the fridge, Xbox. So yeah, so the first thing you're going to notice is that the power button right here is black. This one, obviously they want to accentuate this a little bit more, so they left it white. CD slot, I mean, it's just like a slightly bigger scale than the actual Xbox. It's pretty cool. So let me show you the back too. So here's the back. Look at that, the back, I mean, looks just like it. If you're far away, you wouldn't even notice. But let me just go ahead and show it to you up close right here. There's pretty much, yeah, it's the same cut except they cover it all up. Okay, so these buttons, I don't know if they're actually working or not, but you can press in them. That's so cool. Okay, now here we go. Oh, obviously it comes with the usual fridge cord. If you've ever owned one of these mini fridge, it comes with like a car adapter and also obviously a home adapter as well. Check out the inside, huh? It's like green. It's just like the Xbox. Yeah, like I said, you can actually fit about 8 cans in here, I think. I think it's 8 cans or 6 cans. I forgot. I think it's 6 cans. Like 2 up here and then 4 down here. I don't know what this slot is, but you can put. There's a little pocket right here. Not sure what will fit in there though, to be honest with you. Straws. I wonder if the USB will actually work because it looks like a full-size USB on here. Let me see here. Hey, you can actually plug the USB into here. I wonder if the USB actually works. I didn't read up on the spec on this at all. I just saw that it looks really good, so I just got it. Yeah, I'll have to try that out. Anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and plug it in. This is funny, by the way. This cord could have worked right here, but they didn't use that. They actually have their own cord up here, which I'm not sure why, to be honest with you. Yeah, anyway. I guess they could have used it down there, but they didn't. Okay, so all the fans and stuff like that, obviously, is up here, just like the Xbox, by the way. They also kind of added a little green in here, just so it looks like the Xbox. You see, when I tilt it, it's kind of green on the Xbox. Yeah, the little attention detail is pretty nice there. There are lights up on top here. And when you open this, there's lights in there. That's pretty cool. I don't get any lights when it comes to mini fridge. I have another mini fridge and there's no lights at all. This thing actually came with lights. I'll be surprised if this thing works. Let me see. I'm gonna use my phone real quick. It does work. Look, it does work. Oh, that's cool. Hey, look. Check this out. It turns on. This button actually works. Oh, that's what it is. Okay, check this out. Check this out. It's for the top light. Look. You press it, turns on and off the top light. Fully functional front. Obviously you can't put a disc in there, but fully functional. Okay, that is so cool. Well, there you go, guys. That's the Xbox Series X replica fridge right there. It will actually charge your phone with a USB. Got lights that you can turn on and off. Look at that. And it'll keep your drink cold. Anyway, this is a gamer stream right here. Have a good one. Bye-bye.